Hi all, my name is Anushree Saxena and I'll be going to UCLA this fall for my Masters in Quantitative Economics. So what inspired me to study abroad was that, I did my undergrad with NMIMS and my course was for 5 years, and 3.5 years in the course I realized that this is not it. I want more knowledge, more skills, and more in my personality. So having a liking for academics and wanting to do something more with my skill set is what drove me to actually go and study abroad. So that was my driving force. UT has been really supportive throughout, from narrowing down universities. I mean, we started with a list of 70 universities and bringing it down to like 6, which fits my profile, my academic goals, my career needs, all of that, to application process, which is tedious in itself, to visa. They've been throughout. I mean, I'm an old UT student. I did my 9th, 10th coaching year, so I know that UT is worth it, and they just proved the same again. And a piece of advice for my juniors would be that be confident. If your profile is worth it and if you're sincere and driven about what you want, you will get in. Don't be pessimistic. Universities will choose you. Just have faith and just go ahead. That's all. Thank you.